गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक, वेदर आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस इज द न्यू सुपर ऑडिटर। वेल, इट्स नो लॉन्गर साइंस फिक्शन। आज हम जानते हैं कि एआई ऑलमोस्ट हमारे हर टैक्स फाइलिंग्स या ऑडिट एंड कंप्लाइंसेस का एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट बन चुकी है। चाहे हम अपनी टैक्स फाइलिंग्स की मिसमैच की डिडक्शन की बात करें या फाइनेंशियल बिहेवियर को एनालाइज करने के लिए कहें, एआई इन सभी कामों को कुछ ही सेकंड्स में कर सकता है। एआई इज ऑलरेडी ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग द वे ऑडिट एंड कंप्लाइंस हैपन इन इंडिया। Tax authorities are now deploying generative AI tools as digital detectives. These systems can summarize hundreds of documents, flag discrepancies between AIS and ITR filings. Even the GST department is also using the AI to detect the differences, discrepancies and the tax evasion cases. Income tax department is using AI to even predict high risk cases. And all these tasks are being done in a fraction of the time, which usually takes a lot of time by a human auditor. And with India aggressively digitizing financial records and redrafting the Income Tax Act, we are moving towards a fully tech-driven compliance ecosystem. But here's a catch. AI isn't a perfect. हम लोगों ने पहले भी सुना है कि AI कभी भी परफेक्ट नहीं है. A recent Bombay High Court ruling reminded us that AI can hallucinate, meaning it can generate wrong and misleading conclusions. That's why human judgment remains indispensable. AI can flag the pattern, but only humans can ask the right questions. Friends, हमने एक्चुअल वैल्यूएशंस के केस में भी देखा है कि आजकल सारी वैल्यूएशंस, इवन सर्टिफिकेशंस, इन ऑल दो सेक्टर्स यहाँ पर AI आ गया है. बट अगेन द जजमेंट विच हैज़ टू बी अप्लाइड करेक्टली that call has to be taken by a human. It's like having a microscope, powerful but useless unless you know where to look. Now, the big question, can AI detect tax evasion before the tax departments can or the tax auditors can? The answer is yes, but it is partially. We cannot say that the AI can detect it in its entirety. AI can detect unusual patterns, say undeclared incomes, transaction spikes, or inconsistent reporting. But it can't yet interpret intent, the why behind a transaction. That's where the auditor expertise and ethical judgment come in. During in my practice, I used to say why to each and everything which is not understandable or which is not, you can say, adaptable to me. So I used to say why after each word until I know the meaning of it or I know the intent or the purpose of it. So whatever the reports AI generates, the why factor has to be asked by the human. It's where exactly the role of auditor, the role of a CA comes in. So as AI continues to evolve, the future of auditing won't be AI versus humans. It will be AI with humans. The best firms will be those who can balance automation with oversight, speed with sense, and data with judgment. So tell me, how is your team balancing automation with human oversight this year? AI is not replacing auditor, it's amplifying them. Let's embrace the tools but not surrender our thinking. Share your comments on this. Thank you so much.